Hello everyone, welcome to my Dennis Coding Universe YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain about and walk you through the complete roadmap to prepare this AZ-900 certification, that is Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification exam. We will cover the syllabus, the exam walkthrough, how to apply for the exam, the retake policy, and how you can effectively practice for passing the exam on your first attempt itself. This is the Microsoft itself suggested roadmap for to pass this exam. They given some study guide link and a self-paced training. If you need any additional instructor-led training, means it will be available here, and they will conduct some periodically virtual events training that will be available in this link. And what are the syllabus that will be provided for this 2025 up to this? This is the latest certification syllabus. They updated in October 2025. That will be available here. And to practice the exam, the assessments they have provided for some of the topics, mainly focus topics, and what are the skills to measure in this certification exam. Finally, this is the link to pass to apply for the exam to earn this certification. Yeah, this is my customized roadmap. How I passed the AZ-900 certification. So this is the overview of the each syllabus topics. First of all, this is the basic AZ fundamental. 900 is the basic fundamental course for all the Azure cloud certifications. So it will cover the cloud concepts basics. It will up to 20 to 25% will be the weightage, and to learn the core Azure services. They have 200 plus services are there, and what are the core services? It will be comes under this 20, 15 to 20% weightage, and to explore the security, compliance, and identity access management. Like that topics, it contains 25 to 30% of the weightage of this syllabus. To understand the Azure pricing of the virtual machines, so that like that, and the life cycle that covers 20 to 25%. And we can practice with the Azure portal by creating the new virtual machine instance, storage, yeah, like that, everything. Then only we can able to know about the real-time experience, like labs. They provided a free lab for 1 year. They will give some 200 points credits to our account whenever after we created the Microsoft Azure portal login. Using some basic mail ID, we can able to create simple process only. And finally, to take the mock exams and to review in our weakest area. These are the basic and most important things to cover to pass this certification exam in the first attempt itself. So let's start with the syllabus. Um, the first area is the cloud concepts. You need to understand the IaaS, PaaS, and the difference between the public, private, hybrid cloud structures. What are the differences between among these? Next one is core Azure services, which includes compute services, networking components, storage accounts, and database offerings. That will be comes under the core Azure services part. After that, we have security and compliance topics like identity and access management, Azure AD, and Azure policies and Microsoft Defender topics. AD is nothing but Active Directory. Here Azure is cloud-based Active Directory. Next one is finally the pricing and the support. You will learn about the Azure cost calculators, support plans, the service life cycle, and SLAs like that. Mastering these topics gives you full coverage of AZ-900 exam syllabus. Let's look at what the exam looks like. The AZ-900 exam usually lasts between 45 to 60 minutes. You can expect different question types such as multiple choice questions, drag and drop questions, and scenario based questions. The passing score is 700 out of 1000. Minimum we need to take 700. You can take the exam online through PSN View or to schedule it at their test center in offline mode also. This exam is beginner friendly and ideal for anyone starting their cloud journey from the scratch or from the base. And how to apply for the exam? Yes, how you can apply for the exam? That is a path. First, visit the Microsoft Learn website and open the certification sections. Search for AZ900. It will appear. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Choose how you want to take your exam, either online from home or at the test center. Finally, select the date and the time that works for you and completes the payment. Your exam is now scheduled based on your convenient time like that. Next, exam retake policy. If suppose your first attempt is not reached 700 marks or less than 700, then you can wait for 1 day or 24 hours for your second attempt immediately. In second attempt, also it is last means then wait for 14 days for each retake. So totally maximum 5 attempts you can take for a single year. So make sure you prepare well and before reaching each attempt. So and that's the complete overview of the AZ 900 exam, the syllabus, the roadmap, the exam flow, how to register, practice effectively. If you found this is helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and a comment if you want the next video on hands-on Azure practice or mocks questions explanations. Thanks for watching and all the best for your AZ 900 exam preparation. Thank you.